Ja, Papa. Es riecht komisch. Hm? Es riecht komisch. Hm? I don't understand. Grandma Green,
Yes?
sagt der Baby, dass es riecht komisch.
Baby?
What Papa saying?
Puppy says it smells funny outside.
Mm.
What do you mean, Puppy? Puppy, was meinst du?
It smells very komisch. It does smell funny, Grandma Green.
That's the smell of rain after a long time of dry, hot weather.
Hmm.
I like that smell.
Grandma Green is lustig. Yeah, Grandma Green is funny.